At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and easily modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting a Christmas light installation business can be a lucrative venture, especially during the holiday season. Here are 10 tips to help you get started and run a successful Christmas light installation business. 1. Research and planning. Conduct thorough market research to understand the demand for Christmas light installation in your area. Create a detailed business plan outlining your goals, target market, services offered, and financial projections. 2. Legal considerations. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Ensure you have insurance coverage to protect yourself and your clients in case of accidents or damage during installations. 3. Training and skills. Acquire the necessary skills for safe and effective Christmas light installation. Stay updated on the latest trends and technologies in holiday lighting to offer diverse and appealing services. 4. Quality products. Invest in high-quality Christmas lights and decorations that are durable and visually appealing. Offer a range of lighting options to cater to different preferences and budgets. 5. Marketing and branding. Develop a strong brand identity and create a professional website showcasing your services. Use social media platforms and local advertising to reach potential customers. Consider offering promotions or discounts for early bookings to attract clients. 6. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build a positive reputation and encourage repeat business. Be responsive to inquiries and concerns, and strive for customer satisfaction. 7. Equipment and tools. Invest in quality equipment and tools for installations to ensure efficiency and safety. Regularly maintain and update your tools to prevent breakdowns during peak seasons. 8. Networking. Establish partnerships with local businesses, event planners, and landscaping companies to expand your network. Attend community events and trade shows to promote your services and connect with potential clients. 9. Scheduling and time management. Develop a reliable scheduling system to efficiently manage installations during the busy holiday season. Communicate clearly with clients about timelines and expectations. 10. Environmental considerations. Consider offering environmentally friendly options, such as LED lights, to appeal to eco-conscious customers. Dispose of old lights and materials responsibly and communicate your commitment to sustainability. Remember to adapt and evolve your business based on customer feedback and market trends. Providing a reliable and festive service can lead to a successful and profitable Christmas light installation business. That concludes the video. Now it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future content.